Hello, my name is Dr. Enora. I got to know about this IMG workshop through one of my friends, and I think this 4 days journey has been amazing because first, it is 4 days long. This is a long period of time, and second, we were able to understand, learn, and perform, and at the same time practice all the procedures, examinations, and we could touch every bit of skill parts. And third, the mentors, Dr. Atik, Dr. Adiba, and Dr. Sylvia, they were amazing throughout the course, and they were really helpful to make us understand and also help while we were practicing, so we could understand and practice and do well for the exam, so we could keep ourselves prepared for the exam very well. So thanks to IMG.